Ferdinand Magellan's journey. Ferdinand Magellan was born into a wealthy family in the small town of Vila de Sabrosa in Portugal. Even during his early years, while he served as a page to the Queen of Lisbon, he was interested in navigation and exploration. As a well-educated and a well-connected young man, it was easy for Magellan to join many of the different expeditions departing from Spain and Portugal at the time. In 1505, Magellan went along with Francis de Almeida, the Viceroy of India, on his first major expedition. De Almeida had a fleet of 20 heavily armed ships, and they attacked many kingdoms, setting up towns and forts in northeastern Africa on their way to India. Magellan participated in several battles, including the Battle of Diu and Battle of Kannur in Kerala in 1506, where he was wounded. However, he had to return to Portugal in 1510, when Almeida found out that Magellan had been trading with the locals without his permission. Due to this problem with Almeida, the King of Portugal, Manuel I, rejected Magellan's plan of going to the Spice Islands, parts of present-day Indonesia, Malaysia and Philippines, important ports for the lucrative spice trade, using a new route. But Magellan was not discouraged. Instead, Magellan went to Spain and spoke to Charles V about his plan. Magellan's project was particularly interesting, since it would open the spice route without damaging relations with the neighboring Portuguese. Charles agreed to bear the cost of his journey, and on 10th of August 1519, Magellan was raised to the rank of Commander of the Order of Santiago. He set sail from Seville with his fleet. His fleet consisted of the ships Trinidad, Victoria, San Antonio, Concepcion, and the Santiago, with 270 crew members. During their stop at Rio de Janeiro in South America, Magellan faced serious trouble. The Santiago had been wrecked, and the other ships rebelled against him. A mutiny had begun. Magellan had to open fire and finally got back control of his ships. Many crew members were punished and marooned, while others were pardoned. Moving southwards, Magellan's fleet searched for a passage around South America by visiting the numerous islands and waterways near the southern tip of the continent. Finally, they discovered the Strait of Magellan. Magellan and his men also found a tranquil-looking, vast body of water, which Magellan named Mar Pacifico, or the Pacific Ocean. Magellan continued moving through the Pacific and found the Marianas Islands, Guam, on his way. On these islands, the locals stole one of his boats after giving Magellan's men some supplies. The island, thus, is still known as the Island of Thieves.